So once you have already confirmed your account, then you go back to that URL. If you've forgotten how to get to the Help Desk online site, remember that in this tutorial, the first slide has the link as well as a QR code that you can scan to get to the Help Desk. So of course scanning would be on a mobile device, and the URL, you can just click that link and get to the login page. So once you're logged in, you will come to a screen that looks like this. So I'm going to just walk you through a basic help desk ticket item. So on request type, you'll want to check whether it's an IT request or to unblock a website, or maybe you just want someone to come help and do some training with you. Most of the help desk ticket items are IT request items. So, but because this is a tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and do a training request, and I'm going to then choose one of the three technology trainers. I'm going to go ahead and select myself, and I'm going to just put in, I would like some training maybe on Google. And here's where you can put in some information. This is really important that you put in a lot of details about what it is you need so that we can best help you. So I'll just maybe put in here that I would like Jenny to come help me and my students in the lab to get logged in to the student Gmail accounts and try to start using some Google Docs in Drive. Okay? Best time to be contacted, maybe before school or after school, or even, noon would be fine. If there was a file, for example, if you had something you already started and you wanted me to take a look at it before I got there, you can attach a file or add a link there. And then, of course, make sure that you put what building you're in. We'll just keep this at Lewis and Clark. Put your room number as well. And it says down here, you can also search for an asset, serial number, a network name, and select model. So on this one, this would be if there's something happening with your laptop, of course, you would choose hardware. If there's something happening with your projector, then it would be more peripherals and so on. So you certainly could add in that as well. And then you just click Save. Okay. When you're logged in, or maybe you already have a ticket number, so once you've created this, I'm going to get an email that says my ticket number is 2619. So when you log back in, if you want to see what's happening with your tickets, you can go to History. And there is that ticket I just created, and I can click on that and get details. So if I had assigned it to someone else and they saw that, they can add a note. You can come in here and read what people are saying. Sometimes you'll get a note that says the situation was resolved and they'll close it. Sometimes you get some messages that go back and forth if they need more information. So you can click on Fax as well. And this is where you can actually come in here and see some answers and questions. So these are questions that are commonly asked, and then there's a short answer that has been updated. So for example, if you can't see your home directory, how do you get it back? And the short answer is right here, okay? So if you have a question and maybe your building tech coordinator doesn't know the answer, you can always log into the web help desk and click on Fax and see if your question is there, okay? And there's multiple pages. There's actually 16 questions as of today. You can click on your message board, and that's where you'll see messages that people send you. And then you can also update your profile if maybe you change buildings or you want to reset your password to something else. All right? Well, it's a very simple interface. The biggest part is knowing how to get to the URL. Once you're there and you've created your account, you are good to go. Please do remember that before you create a help desk ticket, take a few minutes and either email your building tech coordinator or just catch them in the hallway and ask them what it is you need, because sometimes it could be a really quick fix, and that's a lot faster for you than going to the help desk. But it's there for you to use, and please let us know if we can help you with anything else.